first modern Moroccan design. Classic color schemes combined with traditional Moroccan geometric patterns to enhance the visual appeal of any space. Second, high-quality PP material. Made from eco-friendly PP material, this Moroccan peel and stick backsplash wall tile offers excellent durability and waterproof performance, making it suitable for various home environments. Third, easy self-adhesive installation. No additional tools needed, simply peel and stick for quick and easy wall or floor renovation, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Fourth, easy to clean and maintain. The waterproof and stain-resistant surface of the Moroccan peel and stick backsplash wall tile ensures easy cleaning, keeping walls or floors looking beautiful for the long term. Message me to get a free sample.